Ever wondered how to make your garden flourish like a well-conducted symphony? Picture this: plants coexisting harmoniously, helping each other grow and thrive. This is the essence of companion planting, a gardening method that boosts your garden's health and productivity. It's like a neighborhood watch for your garden, providing pest control, encouraging pollination, and maximizing space. It's an eco-friendly way to create a lush, thriving paradise right in your backyard. Companion planting may just be the secret to a thriving, productive garden. So, how does one start with companion planting? Well, it's quite straightforward, yet it also involves a bit of gardening intuition. Firstly, planning is crucial. Sketch out your garden space, whether it's a sprawling backyard or a compact balcony. Knowing your space helps identify how many plants you can accommodate and the best layout for them. Next, you'll need to choose the right plant pairs. This is where understanding each plant's needs comes into play. Some plants prefer the shade, while others need full sunlight. Similarly, some plants naturally repel pests that could harm their neighbors. For instance, planting marigolds with tomatoes can help keep nematodes at bay. Finally, it's time to set up your garden. Arrange your chosen pairs thoughtfully, considering their sunlight and water needs, and space them appropriately for optimal growth. With careful planning and understanding, you can set up a companion planting system that works for your garden. Now, isn't that a step closer to achieving garden harmony? Now that you know the steps, it's time to try companion planting in your own garden. Embarking on this journey might feel like learning a new language at first, but don't fret. As you sow and nurture, you'll soon find the rhythm, the melody in this unique method of gardening. The reward? A healthier, more productive garden that sings a song of harmony. The symphony of your garden awaits your maestro touch. Remember, your garden is your symphony. With companion planting, you can create a harmonious melody that benefits all its members. Maximizing garden harmony is within your reach. We've explored the benefits of companion planting, a game changer in creating a thriving garden. Here's hoping this information plants the seed of inspiration. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more gardening tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!